All right, guys. We just stopped by Janice's sister, and we intended to do a walking video up here today, but didn't do it. So we decided to do a little video, and it's a video we've never done. It's night driving.
Yeah.
January 12th.
Yes, January 12th.
Sunday evening, and they live in a little barangay or whatever.
Yeah, that's a barangay.
It's a barangay, but there's no name that I can find. But it's right around Andoer City National Trade School, and here to the left you have a Korean restaurant, hotel. A little further down here, before we get up to the highway, Friendship Highway, on the left is like a little Korean market. I think it's called One Mart. And right here we have Friendship Highway. And we're going to make a left and go through Korean Town and head down towards Walking Street. So we just did a little visit with them and are heading home. So come on for the ride. All right, so we are at Poncera Avenue. Here to the left you have Barangay, how do you pronounce that? Quayan, right? Police Station 5. And we are going to head towards Korean Town.
Yes, correct.
Over the last 5 years I've been here, a lot of things has happened. This road has been widened. It's 2-3 lanes in each direction now, and it's a good quality road.
Yeah, and then there's a lot of Korean buildings, Korean stuff.
Yeah, well, this is part of the Korean area, and we are about to come up here on the town. There you go. People are crazy. They just pull right out and then they stop, and it's a little crazy actually. All right, so we are coming in to Korean Town. We just passed across that bridge during the music, and just looked at Google Map. They have the bridge is so new. They haven't even updated the imaging on the satellite imaging.
Yeah, I think Google Map is so lazy.
Well, they've done a pretty good job. They mapped the entire world.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're in Korean Town, and this place is full of people. A lot of activity, Sunday afternoon, Saturday evening. People are out walking around the street, eating, restaurants, Looks pretty busy everywhere.
Yeah, because it's Sunday,
Yeah, family day.
family day.
Family day, like we did. We had
Yeah.
a family day. Earlier today, we were up in Severa and visited mom and dad. And tonight, we've been visiting her
My
oldest
eldest sister.
oldest sister. Yeah. All right, that's cool. All right, so we are coming up on Don Juico.
Don
I-
Juico.
How do you pronounce it?
Don Juico.
Oh, okay. That's the Philippine pronunciation.
For the foreigner, Don Juico.
Right.
Don Juico.
All right. Still in Korean town. Right there, you have Pure Gold, one of the larger grocery chains in
The Philippines.
Philippines. Actually, they have pretty good quality product. Traffic is a little intense, but it's not too bad.
Yeah.
And we don't come up and down here a lot, but let's take some music. All right, so we are coming up to
Clarkton Hotel.
Clarkton Hotel, and down this way also, for those of you who has not been here, they have actually opened a gate here into Clark
Yeah.
as well, and we're just passing Horizon Hotel.
Yeah.
And down this way, we have I should say, a friend of mine. He owned a Italian restaurant, and
Call it La Taberna.
Amore Mio.
Before.
But they have changed it to La Taberna. And around that area, you have a lot of bars, the ice bar, and
Savannah Hotel.
yeah, we just passed Savannah, and a couple of more blocks down here. You have the La Taberna. For those of you, if you haven't been there, best pizza in town, in my opinion. They have really, really good pizza.
Especially, I like their what's the name of pasta?
Oh yeah,
It's really nice.
and pasta, all typical Italian. Really good stuff.
It's smoke. They use wood, right?
Yeah, they have a wood oven,
Yeah, wood oven.
so you get that authentic taste.
Yeah.
We just passed it there. And here you have some bars,
Blue bars,
blue bar, ice bar.
ice bar.
Um,
There's a lot of bars.
yeah, it's a lot of bars up here. You see people sitting outside hanging out today, but not us. Here's another group of bars. All right, down here, a little while back, we were out. We actually had been to Taberna and got pulled over.
Yeah.
They had a
Remember
little
that
stop
one.
there,
It was
right here.
that,
And that's Iglesia Ni Cristo.
yeah.
And
Resto.
Right next to that, you have right
Lewis-
there Lewis Grand Hotel.
Yeah.
Pretty decent hotel. Nice pool. I don't know if they allow you to go in there for a day pay, but I think they do.
Yeah,
For a
yeah.
couple of hundred pesos.
Yeah,
You can go and utilize the pool.
you can use the pool,
Yeah.
but you can't bring food in.
No,
you can bring
you can't. You
food.
cannot bring your own food,
Yeah.
but you can go there, pay for the hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we just passed Hotel America, and a block down the road,
ABC Hotel.
you got ABC Hotel
Yeah.
coming up right here, and then you have
The Vera Hotel.
De Vera, and then you are coming into here's ABC.
Yeah.
And a little further down is the Vera, and there's a lot of hotels here. Very expensive. They have the Pony Bar,
Pony Bar.
Pony Bunny. I don't know. All right, so we are getting close down to
Walking Street.
Walking Street here. Traffic is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that we don't have any more traffic than we do.
On the left, on the right side is a Margarita
What?
restaurant. Margarita. They call
Oh,
it
okay,
Margarita.
yeah.
Then some disco club,
Yeah.
some Korean restaurant, Cebuana. Then
Yeah.
another hotel, Natasha Hotel.
Yeah. There's a lot of hotels here, guys.
Mm.
So
If
there's
there-
no lack of it.
Yeah.
ABC is pretty nice.
Yeah.
And the rooftop
Yeah, especially on the rooftop.
Yeah.
Been there.
with the pool there hanging out
Yeah.
over the wall. It's pretty cool. Yeah. A lot of people, I call it jaywalking,
Yeah.
because they cross the road back and forth, back and forth. Had some close calls sometimes, but we've been doing pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so straight ahead here is
Turn left.
Walking Street and Phillies. We're gonna go left. We're heading home. Here is to the left is police station. Is it 4? Yeah, I think so. And straight ahead is Astro Park.
Yes.
And we're gonna go down here, jump on MacArthur, up to Dao, and get our little butts home. We had power outage today,
Yeah.
and that's why we spent most of the day on the
vlogging.
road.
Because
And-
we get bored.
Yeah, and we thought we would have power up in Severa, but they didn't
Yeah,
have
they
power
didn't have-
also.
Yeah. Only in Angeles.
Yeah, we heard they shut down the entire Mabalacat
Mabalacat.
today. Major line work.
Yeah. Like na going to Dao.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy traffic right now, but it's always right around this area. And over the last 2-3 years, traffic has gotten worse and worse and worse and worse.
Yeah, because people
yeah.
are buying their car. They're
Yeah,
buying their cars.
Well, yeah, not only that, the area is expanding, and
And then there's a lot of jeepney also.
yeah,
That's why it cause traffic.
yeah. But thousands of people are moving in here. It's very expansion, big expansions going on
Yeah.
with construction everywhere, and especially inside Florida.
Yeah.
But normally, you know, it's pretty easy to get home. The bike, we can get around a lot of stuff.
It's more easy if you use your bike
Yeah,
than your car.
yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming up here on the right to
Yeah, I think this truck is a garbage truck. It's smelly.
yeah.
This is smelly, may gulay.
Yep. There's a couple of hotels up here too. What I was going to say is, coming up here on the right, they have also built a brand new shopping center right here.
Yeah, one mall center.
One mall, yeah. That's true.
They call it
So-
one mall.
Yep. So we see that every day, more and more and more and more.
Yeah.
Have to get around using the sidewalks to get around. Here's the mall. And up here also you have the other police station 3. And a little further up you have Burger King, McDonald's, Jollibee. Here's one mall right
Watson
there.
Pharmacy,
Yeah, that's it.
7-Eleven.
All right,
Terminal,
guys.
The terminal.
That's the ride for now, and we are signing off and saying goodbye. Thank you for riding with us. God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.